Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadhai. Today we are making yet another very healthy, very nutritious breakfast recipe using bajra or pearl millet. Bajra is considered to be one of the best winter grains because of its innumerable health benefits. So one should definitely include bajra in your diet, especially during winter months. So let's quickly see how to prepare this very yummy, very healthy breakfast recipe using bajra. Before moving to the recipe, I would request you to please subscribe to Healthy Kadhai if you are new to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates of my new recipes. Firstly, we'll take 1.5 cup of bajra, which is also known as pearl millet. Bajra is one of the best winter grains which you can consume. To this, we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or zeera, 1/4 teaspoon of haldi, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds or til, half a cup of chopped onions. And then for the greens I am using soya, or which is also known as dil leaves. So here goes dil leaves. And then we'll add 2 teaspoons full of curd. Now we'll combine everything well. So gradually we'll add water and we need to prepare a thick batter of all the ingredients which we have used here. So gradually add water to prepare batter. Do not add water in one go. Dil leaves are rich in antioxidants. They are good source of vitamin C, magnesium, vitamin A and have several health benefits including protection against heart diseases. So in winters one should include dil or soya in your diet. If you do not have dil leaves, then one can also use coriander leaves or spinach, methi, which is fenugreek leaves. So there are abundance of healthy greens which are available in winters. So one must include all the greens in the diet. We do not want this batter to be too thin. Here is a bajra batter ready. So you can see this should be the consistency of the batter, neither too thick nor too thin. Into this I will also add chopped garlic and ginger to add to the flavor and just mix it one more time. Now we'll allow this batter to rest for at least for 5 minutes. Friends, it's been 5 minutes and now we'll add 2 pinch of baking soda in this batter. Just mix it well. Add baking soda as a last step. Now let's cook it. Now we'll heat a non-stick pan and we'll grease it with little oil. We'll add little sesame seeds at the base. This will give a beautiful look to our breakfast. After that, we'll add 1 ladle full of the bajra batter which we had prepared. Here goes another one. Reduce the flame to low medium side. And now we let it cook from one side. Friends, we all know that bajra is a gluten-free grain. So if you are gluten intolerant, then you can easily consume bajra as a good alternative to wheat flour. Also, bajra is composed of complex carbohydrates which takes time to digest in your body. So it keeps you full for longer period of time and thus also helps in weight loss. Bajra is also rich in fiber. So if you have any digestive problems or constipation problems, then certainly bajra is very helpful. Bajra is also rich in omega-3 fats, magnesium, potassium and many other nutrients which help in lowering down the blood pressure. So in winters you should definitely consume bajra in form of bajra parantha, bajra roti or even bajra khichdi. Here you can see that the pancake has started to puff up nicely because we have added soda here. The pancakes will turn out soft and crisper. We'll sprinkle few more sesame seeds on the other side. And once cooked from one side, it will be very easy to flip it over. Just look at this beautiful color Now we'll cook the other side as well for 1 to 2 minutes until it becomes crispy. Once the other side gets cooked, then it will be very easy to move it like this. I want my pancake to be little crispy, so I'll just cook it for 1 more minute. And now we'll turn off the flame. Our very healthy bajra breakfast is ready. You can look at this one piece. It's soft from inside but still crispy from outside, and sesame seeds are giving beautiful look. So likewise we'll prepare other pancakes as well. So friends, you can see it is so easy to prepare this delicious, nutritious, healthy breakfast using bajra. One can also prepare the batter beforehand, and then whenever you want to prepare it, just add soda and you are good to go. To prepare green chutney, firstly add 2 tablespoons full of curd. And then for the green, I am using radish leaves or mooli ke patte instead of coriander leaves. This is a very nice alternative to prepare green chutney. So just chop the leaves, wash it nicely and use it to prepare chutney. Into this I am adding half capsicum. Then we'll add few cloves of garlic, 1 to 2 green chilies, and here I have onion with me. We'll add salt as per taste. And that's about it. We need to grind it to prepare a nice smooth green chutney. So here is our flavorful, yummy green chutney is ready. Just look at this vibrant color. We'll transfer it in a bowl. And to this I am adding 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. You can use the same chutney for breakfast to serve with any kind of paranthas. I'm sure you'll really like it, so do try it out. Friends, I have also prepared coriander chutney, amla chutney. So if you want to check out those videos, I'll be sharing the link in the description box below. Do check it out. And friends, look at this. Our healthy bajra breakfast is ready. You can call it pancakes, chila, or any other name you want to give it. It's nutritious, healthy, and look at this, nice, soft. It tastes delicious when served with green chutney. So friends, do try out this recipe and let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching our today's video, give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadhai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.